when it comes to disaster, let's say you don't know disasters, when are they going to strike? Like earthquakes, no? Kung mag-uran na kalayote, badlay tararan. No? Earthquakes lang, no? Tsunami, no? But you know, there's only one common denominator on your initial reaction to these disasters. Trust your instinct. Okay? Survival, trust your instinct, no? May isa ka-tawo nga ang anata na point, no? Ang anata na solution for surviving this disaster simply lang gid, okay? Kung you are going to review kung earthquake, just review who are the most or ano ang mga tao, kung pila ka mga tao kakapatay sa sulod kay building, most of them die inside the building. So, instinct lang yun, go out of the building, no? May dyan doon na kauna nga panago ka sa dalam kang lamisa, obsolete na nan. Kaya because this is designed, o amoran, design na ta na kauna, pambalay mga katipa pa, kwayan, pwede mo madara na tandaan ni pakakawayan kang lamisa. Pero now, mag-crampo lang, maski munisipyo lang, talayan kang lamisa, kay siya. So, common sense again, okay? Now, if you have tsunami, there's flood, then go to a higher ground, no? And of course, kung may earthquake, and if you live just beside the sea, no, kapil pang earthquake is matudo, then you don't have to wait. You don't have to be warned. Just go to a higher ground or to a high building for that. Kasi may mga earthquake hindi mo pasyagan, but of course, no, first things first is that siguro, in a matter of 10 seconds, siguro makasaka ka man siguro kang kahoy kung makadagang ka span stand. Okay? So, in other words, trust your instinct. No?